Extreme weather phenomena have hit several regions in China in recent days. Initially thought to be just ordinary rain, the situation changed drastically when large hail accompanied by strong winds struck cities like Wuhan and Nanchang. Reports indicated winds reached levels 8 to 11, causing significant damage. Doors and windows of homes were reportedly deformed by the winds, while several vehicles were even overturned. At the same time, purple lightning accompanied the storm, adding to the panic among the public. Large hailstones struck the ground and farmland, damaging crops ready for harvest. Meanwhile, the relentless downpour flooded major roads, hampering public activities. Heavy rain and hail that pounded Nanchang City overnight became a hot topic on social media. The extreme weather caused disruptions in various areas, including mountainous roads prone to being blocked by fallen trees and floodwaters. However, despite the worsening weather conditions, a group of highway workers demonstrated extraordinary dedication. On a section of Provincial Highway 417, specifically on Wangzhou Road, they battled strong winds and heavy rain to ensure the road remained passable. The strong winds reportedly uprooted several trees, blocking half the roadway. Meanwhile, the standing rainwater reached ankle deep, increasing the risk to road users. Nevertheless, the workers did not back down. With minimal equipment, they worked non-stop throughout the night. Heavy rain accompanied by flashes of lightning struck Wuhan City overnight, sparking concern among residents and drawing attention on social media. The extreme weather caused numerous disruptions, especially on major roads and vulnerable hilly areas. Amidst the dire conditions, a group of road workers demonstrated extraordinary courage and dedication. As the rain poured down relentlessly and lightning flashed across the night sky, they remained on the ground to ensure the safety of road users. One of the worst affected areas was the Yangtze Bridge in Wuhan, which reportedly resembled a waterfall due to the torrential rain. Furthermore, Changsha also experienced severe flooding within a short period of time, worsening the situation in the southern region. This extreme weather phenomenon is not limited to one region. Previously, Guizhou was hit by egg-sized hail, while Chaozhou experienced repeated flooding. Meanwhile, northeast China experienced snowfall in April, an unusual occurrence when spring should have arrived. The contrast between the flooding in the south and the snow in the north indicates an increasing frequency of extreme weather across various regions. Experts believe this phenomenon serves as a reminder of the unpredictable power of nature. Amidst this situation, the public is urged to remain vigilant and follow the guidance of local authorities. This disaster reiterates that humans have significant limitations in the face of the power of nature. The Wuhan Meteorological Observatory reported that heavy rainfall occurred in several areas of the city in the past 3 hours. The heaviest rainfall was recorded in the Wuhan Economic and Technological Development Zone, Kadian District, and the northwestern area of Jiangxi District, with accumulated rainfall ranging from 30 to 50 millimeters. Meanwhile, most other areas received less than 15 millimeters. Data shows that the point with the highest cumulative rainfall was at the Wuhan Academy of Agricultural Sciences Fisheries Product Station in Jiangxi District, with a total of 64.7 millimeters. The highest hourly rainfall intensity was also recorded at the same location, at 61.9 millimeters between 1 o'clock p.m. and 2 o'clock p.m. local time on April 11. In addition to heavy rain, hail was also reported on Jifeng Road in Jiangxi District. The hailstones were approximately 1 to 2 millimeters in diameter, indicating strong atmospheric convection activity in the area. Previously, the observatory had issued a yellow warning for severe convection. The warning stated that in the next 3 hours, several areas, including downtown Wuhan, Dongxihu District, the Economic and Technological Development Zone, Kadian District, and Jiangxi District, could experience thunderstorms, short-duration heavy rain, and strong winds. Wind speeds were expected to reach levels 7 to 9, accompanied by lightning flashes. In addition, small-scale hailstorms are also likely to occur in some areas, increasing the risk of disasters such as local flooding, minor infrastructure damage, and traffic disruption. Residents of Wuhan are being urged to increase their vigilance following an extreme weather warning issued by local authorities. A powerful storm cloud is reportedly approaching the city, bringing the potential for strong winds, heavy rain, hail, and even the possibility of local tornadoes. According to the warning, wind speeds have the potential to reach level 12, which could cause serious damage to buildings, trees, and public infrastructure. This also increases the risk of flying objects, which could endanger public safety. In addition to the strong winds, the storm is expected to be accompanied by heavy rainfall with high intensity over a short period of time, which could trigger waterlogging and localized flooding. Hail is also likely in some areas, increasing the risk of damage to vehicles and roofs.